What is the process for transferring a car title after purchasing from a private seller? If you've just bought a car from a private seller and are wondering how to transfer the title, you're in the right place. Let's break down the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First, the seller needs to sign the car title to release ownership. This is a critical step because it legally transfers the vehicle to you. If the title has two names, both owners must sign it, unless there's an "or" between their names, in which case only one signature is needed. Some states require these signatures to be notarized, so it's a good idea to check with your local DMV to see if this is necessary. Next, you'll need to gather all the necessary documentation. This typically includes the signed title, a bill of sale, and the vehicle's current odometer reading. The bill of sale should have details like the date of sale, the buyer's and seller's names and addresses, the sale price, and the odometer reading. It may also include a damage disclosure statement. You'll also need to fill out a title application form, which varies by state. For example, in Kentucky, you'll need to complete the Application for Kentucky Certificate of Title, Form TC 96-182, which includes details about the vehicle and the new owner. Once you have all the paperwork, you'll need to take it to your local DMV or the relevant state office. In some states, like Mississippi, you'll need to submit this to the Department of Revenue. You'll also need to pay any applicable fees, which can include a title transfer fee and sales tax. During this visit, you may need to provide additional documentation, such as your state-issued driver's license, proof of insurance, and a VN verification form. If the vehicle is not previously registered in your state, you might also need to get a safety inspection done. After submitting all the documents and paying the fees, the DMV will process the title transfer. This can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on your state. Once the process is complete, the DMV will issue a new title in your name and mail it to you. Some states now offer electronic titles, so you might need to request a paper copy if that's what you prefer. Finally, don't forget to report the sale of the vehicle to your state's Notice of Sale service. This is important because it records the change in ownership, ensuring you're not responsible for any future parking tickets or toll violations. By following these steps, you'll ensure that the car title is transferred correctly and you become the legal owner of the vehicle. Remember to check with your local DMV for any specific requirements or additional paperwork that might be needed in your state.